Hi friends, I have a new money making method that you are going to love. This is one of the best ways to be able to make money online, and you can do this from practically anywhere on the planet. The best part about this is that you don't need to do any selling whatsoever. You don't even have to have a ton of social media followers to be able to use this method, and you don't need to have any affiliate marketing experience to be able to score some cash. You don't even need to have any work experience to be able to utilize this amazing new method. If you want to learn how it all works, you're going to want to watch until the end of this video because I'm going to walk you through what you need to do. There is more than one website that you're going to use, so you don't want to skip ahead so that you don't miss any important information. Before we get into the video, hi, welcome to Money Express, a channel where I share tips and tricks on how you can make money. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Smash the like button down below if you want to see more videos like this one. Rightio, are you ready to start making some money? Great. So the very first thing that you're gonna do is open up a browser and go to google.com. So obviously you probably know Google, and it's a search engine that you can use to pretty much find anything. And if you don't know how to get to Google News, you're going to go ahead and type in Google News into the search bar and hit the search button. And once you do that, Google News should pop up in your results. And if you know how to get to Google News from the google.com homepage, then good on you because you've got it without having to even need to search for it. Anywho, once you have made it over to Google News, you should see a webpage that looks like this, where it's basically articles about pretty much anything that you could think of. In a way, it's kind of like a digital newspaper. This website has so many professionally written articles about all types of topics, and you could get things like current events, health, all types of news. I mean, take a look at this. They have all sorts of news. They have things like entertainment news where you can keep up with the Kardashians even if you don't really keep up with them. They have things like business and technology and health. So pretty much anything that you can think of, they've probably written about. Now, for the sake of today's video, there are some categories that you're going to want to focus on, like business, technology, entertainment, science and health, and sports. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and click on health. Now, obviously, when I do that, it's going to bring up a lot of articles that are centered on health. So it has the most up-to-date news, and all of these articles obviously are professionally written. If you want, you can skim through, look at articles that look interesting to you, and just go ahead and pick an article that kind of pops out. Once you have found an article that really speaks to you, you're going to want to go ahead and copy all of the text. And once you've done that, you're going to want to open up another browser window or a tab to be able to go to another website, because this website is going to help us make some money. So you're going to want to scoot your booch over to spinbot.com. Now this site is very important because it's going to help us spin the articles so that we can copy and paste the spun article and be able to sell that. Not really sell it, but make money off of it. Basically what Spinbot does is once you put some text in, it kind of changes the words and rewords everything so that you're not completely copying the exact text. Obviously, you need to do that if you want to be able to make money off this article, because you could be charged with plagiarism, so you're gonna need the words to be changed up a bit. So to be able to spin your article, the very first thing that you're gonna need to do is paste that text that you copied right into this box that you see right here. And once you've done that, you're just gonna hit this button, and when you do that, it's gonna come up with some spun text. Basically, just the same article with different words. And once you have the spun text, that you are going to copy as well, and we're going to be pasting it into different websites to be able to make some money. Alrighty, so you're probably wondering, now where am I going to paste this article so I can make some cash? Well, the very first website is this website right here that you're going to visit, and you're going to be able to paste your article, send it to them, and then make some money. So this website is great because they pay you $1 per word. Now that is up to $1 per word. It depends on how good your article is. And that means if you have a 1,000 word article, that you can make $1,000. The coolest part about this is all you had to do really was copy and paste, and you're scoring that much money.
But before I do that, don't forget to hit the like button down below, Share this video and turn on notifications for more videos on how you can earn extra cash.
Anywho, basically, it's kind of tricky being able to submit an article to them. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and then you want to look for the part where it talks about being able to contact them and look for their email address. And then once you do that, you're going to copy it and paste the email address into the recipient line of an email. And then you can compose an email with the content of that email being your reconstructed article, or, you know, the spun article that you had copied from Spinbot, and then put article submission in the subject line here at the top of the email. Now, once you've done that and hit send, then once they receive it and they think that your article is great, they're actually going to reply to you and ask for your PayPal information, just so that they can be able to send your payments straight to your PayPal account. Now, do not fret if you do not have a PayPal account, because you can also go ahead and put in your bank information so they can do a direct bank transfer and you can have the money straight into your bank account. Alrighty, so if you've done that, then you can go ahead and move on to our second website, and this is the website that you're going to be going to right here. So just like with the last website, you're going to be emailing them as well. So obviously you're going to be looking for their contact information, looking for an email address to be able to send the article to, and pretty much just repeating the process that you did with the last website. Now, here's a bit of a bonus tip. You might want to look into the website first to see what kind of content they actually publish. So whether it's health or technology or science, obviously you want to find articles that they would be willing to publish. So with eating well, obviously they talk about health and fitness and that type of thing. And with this website, you can go ahead and look for the topics that they'd be interested in. Obviously, it's really easy. All you had to do was copy and paste, and then you can score some cash. Alright, moving on to our very last website. This is the website that you're going to be going to right here. Now, this website is a bit different than the last two. It doesn't pay you as much. They actually pay you 31 cents per word, but that is still a pretty decent amount if you think of having a 1,000 word article or even more than that. So you can go ahead and submit articles with them and start making money right after you're done with this video. Now, it is really easy. All you have to do is copy and paste, and you could be making 31 cents per word. Now, you may think that's small, but obviously all you had to do was copy and paste from Google News into Spinbot and then Spinbot into this website. So you didn't really put in too much effort, and you could score a really decent amount of cash. Anywho, that's all I've got for you folks. Hope you learned something new.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.